We are up to a $8.5 thousand market cap. It's actually fucking insane. Like, it has been like 5 minutes and it's already up a lot. Click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity, click on proceed and confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how you do it from the best. Now, if I return to the chart, you can see liquidity is removed. Now look, if I open my wallet, bro, bang, $5,632 is what we received. And yeah, bro, that is proof that deving is way better than trading, bro. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the meme coin market. Axiom is a tool that allows us to track every meme coin launching on the blockchain. What this means is simple. Every coin you see has an owner behind it. For example, this coin just dumped. The creator exited the liquidity and cashed out all the money that traders had put into it. So while traders are losing money, the person who launched the coin walks away with a huge profit. In 2026, most people have stopped trading and shifted toward deving meme coins on the Solana blockchain. Every time you buy a coin, you're basically making the developer richer and you have zero control. The owner can exit liquidity whenever they want. You control nothing. Launching meme coins in 2026 has become a viral trend, and the crazy part is, you can launch one with just a few dollars. It costs almost nothing. And this video is purely for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, so please, bro, just do your own research. A few years ago, launching a meme coin required proper development skills and blockchain knowledge. But in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can launch your own meme coin and potentially earn serious money. So let's jump into it. First up, we have to settle the debate, Pump.fun or Raydium. If you go to Photon Filters and select Pump.fun launches, you can see traffic of every second meme coin is dropping. As I tell you, this meme coin era is in, but Pump.fun traffic is insane. But most of it is just rug gamers with zero real momentum. Your coin will just get buried in the noise. And when I switch to Raydium, there's less clutter and the market caps are actually real. My personal strategy is to take a viral meme that's trending on Pump.fun, and having a good market cap is perfect to launch it on Raydium instead. It's less crowded, the fees are better and cheaper than Pump.fun, and you get way more eyes on the project. In today's video, we launch a meme coin with live proof. I've been using launchmeme.fun. It's honestly the cleanest launchpad for Raydium right now because it lists your token instantly. You get immediate exposure to thousands of active buyers the second you go live, and you still keep full control over your supply. Now, there are basically two strategies to create a coin on this website. First option, you build something from scratch. If you already have a community, a project idea, or even just a strong narrative you think can go viral, you can turn that into a meme coin and launch it on the Create Coin tab. You can even hunt for trending narratives on X or using the free Twitter tracker. Connect your Phantom wallet. The goal is to move fast. There are thousands of tweets hitting the feed every second from massive accounts. With this tool, you can basically turn those viral moments into coins instantly. It's that quick. You can use it to launch your own stuff or just use the data to trade and check what's happening in the meme coin market. It's totally up to you. Second option, and this is my favorite, is the copy trending coin strategy. Basically, instead of guessing what might work, you're taking coins that are already blowing up on Pump.fun. These tokens already have momentum, real volume, active buyers, and most importantly, a proven narrative. So what you do is simple. You copy those coins directly to Raydium. Now, you're not starting from zero. You're tapping into existing demand. You're putting your version of the coin in front of a fresh wave of traders. And since the original coin is already viral, you've got a much higher chance of attracting buyers, sometimes even outperforming the original. So yeah, your odds of catching early profits are just way better with this method. All right, let me show you exactly how to do it. Let's go. All right, so first things first, connect your Phantom wallet. Once you're in, hit refresh and start looking for a coin that actually has the potential to run, something with a strong narrative, good market cap, basically something that could turn into a banger. For this example, I'm going with the ceasefire coin. and click copy to Raydium right here. Wait for the Phantom wallet to pop up. Every single launch at the beginning, you'll see a warning. Just ignore it. It's completely normal. It shows up on every single transaction. Just hit proceed, then I understand, and finally click confirm. Give it a second to load, and boom, our token is live on the Solana blockchain. Now check your coin on SolScan, and yeah, we're live on chain 11 seconds ago. It's all moving. Now it's time to create a liquidity pool for our token. Now return to the site and click create liquidity pool. This page right here is really simple. For the people who don't know what this is, we are just creating the liquidity pool. So once the liquidity pool is created, people will be able to buy your supply and it will be directly in the Raydium DEX. Okay, it's really important to do this step because otherwise your coin will not be live on the chain. Now for the amount of coins, click on 90%. That will drop whatever that amount is for 90%. Right under for the amount of SOL to pair, that is the first buy in your own coin. By the way, bro, you are not losing anything here. It's the first buy, okay? You are just exchanging some of your SOL for some supply to make profits later on. If you want to cash out your money and you want it back, you can just cash out and it will come back in your Phantom wallet. So it's not a big deal. It's not like if you spent anything, right? But yeah, here I'm gonna put 0.3 SOL, then click on create pool, and then just wait for the Phantom wallet to pop up. As always, you'll see a warning. Ignore it. It shows up on every single transaction. Just hit proceed, then I understand, and finally click confirm. Boom, your coin is open for trade. Now just scroll down, and Bang the Ceasefire coin is now officially created and live on the chain. Okay, people can see our coin, and your profits will be right here whenever you want to see them. And if you want to see how much you're up at this moment, click on refresh, and then it will refresh right here. And as you guys can see, our P&L went up to 139 bucks, which is a 410% gain in a couple of seconds because we copied a coin that is attracting a bunch of traders. Now click on view on Photon. Our token is live and gaining some buyers, but to add spice to the token, I'm going to use a quick promotion tool which boosts the token. So head over to promote.fun and just forget about wasting hours manually posting. This site gets you instant exposure on Dex Screener, GN, and Bird Eye automatically. Let's do it live. Connect your Phantom wallet, then simply paste your token address and choose your promotion. There are free and 0.1 SOL promotion is also available, but I'm going with the advanced 0.5 SOL option for maximum reach. Now toggle include free website. This is huge. Upload your logo, set your token name. I'll call this Ceasefire, select Raydium and hit confirm. Click pay and promote. Approve the transaction, wait for a Phantom wallet to pop up, and then just click confirm and you are done. Now just watch, it's creating a professional website and promoting your token to thousands of traders at the exact same time. And boom, website ready. Let's check it out. In seconds, you have a live landing page with tokenomics and real-time chart links ready for investors. So jump back to your Photon and see the live chart of your token. If I have to guess, I think we're up around 3,000 or 4,000 bucks. Bang, bro. So many people are buying in. That's exactly what we like to see as devs. Oh my God, bro. More people are buying in. I think we're up like $7,000 right now. Okay, we know that's actually insane. We made this coin for literally some dollars. This is insane. If the meme is hot and if you use the right tool for MemeCoin promotion, then you can cash out good money. That's exactly why people are saying that deving is the new meta. Anyways, I'm going to give this coin some time for it to marinate and for it to pump. When I come back, we will cash out. I will show you guys how. All right, guys, I am back in Bang, bro. We are up to an $8.5 thousand market cap. It's actually fucking insane. Like, it has been like 5 minutes and it's already up a lot. I think the question is here now, how we can get profit from this launch. So I'm going to, dump it. Now come back to launch MemeCoin Pumping and then click on the refresh button right here. And as you guys can see down below, bro, 5K is what we're up right now, which is not really bad, bro. Like, dude, that's actually insane for most people watching this video. Right now, click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity, wait for Phantom wallet to just show up, and then ignore the block. Click on proceed and confirm, then I understand, and at last confirm. and bang, bro. That's exactly how you do it from the vest. Now, if I return to the chart, you can see liquidity is removed. Now look, if I open my wallet, bro, bang, $5,632 is what we received. And yeah, bro, that is proof that deving is way better than trading, bro. If I did not convince you by now, I don't know what will. Every site will be linked in the comments down below or in the description. Peace out. Trying to get started but don't have the dev fee? I got you. I'm sending 1 soul to 10 winners to help you take your first step. To enter, subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment down below.